National parties. There are some country-wide parties which are called national parties. These parties have their units in various states, and all these units follow the same policies, programs and strategies that is decided at the national level. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. While the Commission treats all parties equally, it offers some special facilities to large and established parties. These parties are given a unique symbol. Only the official candidates of the party can use that election symbol and are called recognized political parties. The Election Commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be a recognized party. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as a state party. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha elections or Assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. All India Trinamool Congress (AITC) launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. Recognized as a national party in 2016, the party's symbol is flowers and grass. Committed to secularism and federalism, has been in power in West Bengal since 2011. Also has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general elections held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, making it the 4th largest party in the Lok Sabha. Bahujan Samaj Party (BSP), formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. Draws inspiration from the ideas and teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar and Babasaheb Ambedkar. Stands for the cause of securing the interests and welfare of the Dalits and the oppressed people. It has its main base in the state of Uttar Pradesh and a substantial presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Punjab. Formed government in Uttar Pradesh several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. In the Lok Sabha elections held in 2014, it polled about 4% votes but did not secure seat in the Lok Sabha. Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), founded in 1980 by reviving the erstwhile Bharatiya Jana Sangh, formed by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951, wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values and Deen Dayal Upadhyay's ideas of integral humanism and Antyodaya. Its support base increased substantially in the 1990s. Came to power in 1998 as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance (NDA), including several regional parties. Emerged as the largest party with 282 members in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Currently leads the ruling NDA government at the center. Communist Party of India (CPI), formed in 1925, believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy, opposed to the forces of secessionism and communalism, accepts parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interests of the working class, farmers and the poor. Became weak after the split in the party in 1964 that led to the formation of the CPIM. Significant presence in the states of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Its support base had gradually declined over the years. it secured less than 1% votes and one seat in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Advocates the coming together of all left parties to build a strong left front. Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPIM, founded in 1964, believes in Marxism-Leninism, supports socialism, secularism and democracy, and opposes imperialism and communalism. Accepts democratic elections as a useful and helpful means for securing the objective of socio-economic justice in India. Enjoys strong support in West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura, especially among the poor, factory workers, farmers, agricultural laborers and the intelligentsia. Critical of the new economic policies that allow free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country. Was in power in West Bengal without a break for 34 years. In the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, it won about 3% of votes and 9 seats. Indian National Congress, INC, popularly known as the Congress Party. It is one of the oldest parties of the world. Founded in 1885 and has experienced many splits. Played a dominant role in Indian politics at the national and state level for several decades after India's independence. It is a centrist party and supports secularism and welfare of weaker sections and minorities. Supports new economic reforms but with a human face. Leader of the United Progressive Alliance (UPA) government from 2004 to 2014. Currently, it is the principal opposition party in the Lok Sabha. Nationalist Congress Party (NCP), formed in 1999 following a split in the Congress Party. It supports democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice and federalism. It wants that high offices in government be confined to natural-born citizens of the country. A major party in Maharashtra and has a significant presence in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. A coalition partner in the state of Maharashtra in alliance with the Congress. Since 2004, it has been a member of the United Progressive Alliance. Now, next topic, state parties. Other than these 7 parties, most of the major parties of the country are classified by the Election Commission as state parties. These are commonly referred to as regional parties. Over the last 3 decades, the number and strength of these parties has expanded. This made the Parliament of India politically more and more diverse. Since 1996, nearly every one of the state parties has got an opportunity to be a part of one or the other national level coalition government. This has contributed to the strengthening of federalism and democracy in our country.